Alright, welcome back to part 6 of Slime Rancher, how do you pronounce it? You know what I mean. So, first off, we're gonna go to sleep, wake up, if you don't understand, it's still the same thing. Go to sleep, wake up, feed your guys, then we're gonna go exploring. Cause that's always fun to explore in a new area, mind you. Because if you can see that, we have, looks like you can see that we have another key. Oh, shoot. So, we are going to open up the mossy blanket today. So, yeah. Why? Because I want to. It's either that or I open up the place to get to the ancient ruins, which we can't open the ancient ruins themselves yet, so why would I open the area to get to the ancient ruins if we just be stuck behind a giant door? Because you need honey slimes to progress through it, so yeah, the only place you can get honey slimes is in the one place, the mossy blanket. Or through this. We need the mossy blanket. So we are going to run over there, open it up, ignore that my camera keeps going down to the bottom right. Hands sore and hurts. That's the main reason, so yeah. Let's keep going. Back we go. We need another key. There is one more. Wait, what? That's weird. I'm guessing it's only counting the. Wait, no. Dry reef. You can get 2. You can get 1 in the island and 1 from the phosphor dude. So is there a glitch or they removed one of them? They want to remove one of them, right? Right? Oh gosh, they removed one of them, didn't they? So last time we did this was 3 weeks ago. So for all I know, they removed a lot of them. So I don't think they would. The Gordos are all important. So they wouldn't get rid of 1. I hope so. By the way, we will get there eventually. You don't know what I'm talking about. All the way out there is Mustache Island. So we'll get to that. We'll get that treasure pod when we can. Oh gosh, the camera. Whoosh. Very bad camera work on my hand, but at the same time, doing my best. My best I can do with one hand on the controller and the other one recording. Is as we speak 12, I think. About to be 12. As we speak, it's about to be 12. So, for me, 12 p.m. Let's keep going. We're gonna just open it up. Now we'll get some honey slimes and some hunter slimes if I can't find them. If I can find some hunter slimes, that would be great. Gonna hold this in my left hand, because then that will be a little bit better. We'll also get some puddle slimes next time. Why next time? Because next time I should hopefully have the one area that has just a waterfall. Just put like 50 different puddle slimes there. So yeah, I think I've passed one of these. I think I've missed like 3 of these. So yeah, the moss blanket may seem like an ancient jungle of sorts, but the fact is that much of what you see here wasn't even around when I first began exploring this land. And this way, I reckon that it won't be long before this greenery completely overtakes the far range. I mean, I don't think so, seeing that everywhere that's connected to is still either a purple or that color. I don't know what color that counts as. So let's just keep on going. We're gonna run through here. It's super. Okay, never mind. The game just said no. You don't get to say that. at supersonic speeds. They're supersonic racing. Alrighty then, here's my first roadblock. Now, time for us to wait for my energy. Ha! And things I don't want to die because I have the spiral steam and primordial oil, which is very rare. And by rare, I mean I don't want to lose this. It's not necessarily rare, but at the same time, it is valuable. So yeah, this is the point when we just start looking for invisible stuff. Just look for stuff, and guys who are invisible-ish. Water will be our friend in some sorts. Ow. Lag, my worst enemy. The game is very... I thought I saw something. Let's see if we can find any hunter slimes. Because those guys are mainly what I'm looking for. They're worth a lot of money. They're adorable too. So, yeah, they're the best. Over there, I do not want to go yet. Oh gosh, there's so much stuff, it's starting to get laggy. Okay, it's like... a sec to calm down. So let's see if we can. There's a lot of booms and pinks. There's a lot of pink booms here. Let's see if we can actually find anything. Well, anything, I mean, any hunters, honeys, anything of that sort, of those sorts, you know what I mean? Anything like that, so let's hope we can't find something. If we can't find anything, I might just go, wait, no, I can't. Wait, I can't, I might just go pop the rad Gordo. I was also about to just jump in the water saying, there's an easy way to get home. But nope, that is not an option, because I want to keep all this stuff. Have you ever been in Love Beatrix? Makes you feel a little achy inside, like a day after your soul's been to the gym. That's the best way I can show awareness. Also, your lines are thinking to something in your... you swear is downright alien. All those things you thought really mattered suddenly don't change. Changes you entirely. Can't recommend it enough. Seems legit. Makes sense. Just know that this was here. Huh. Good to know for my other account, because kind of want to complete it. So, yeah. Excuse me. If you heard that, excuse me. That's good. I made it. I did it. I can fly. Ow, my face. We're gonna end the episode here after we go pop the rad Gordo, not Largo, Gordo. I'm not messing up by calling him a Largo again for the 5th time. Alright, let's just go back to the farm. Grab the stuff that I need. My hands are just cramping up. Yeah. So if you guys want any like vlogs or anything like that, just tell me, okay? I'll try and make them. I'll do my best. I'll do my best. Ah, aiming. Is it my strong suit? No, not even close to it. Well, then you're probably wondering how I got here. But you see, it all started when I tried to record on my left hand and play the game on my right. It all went downhill very fast. Because I've learned, don't do it. Just do what you're supposed to do, Leo. Just do it normally. Kind of. normal as you can when you're also holding a camera. So, yeah. Oh, I almost hold it. It's just so weird. The Victor Humphreys thing, that rocks like moved over just a few inches. And just in the middle of your way, so it's not like it's fake. It belongs there, just not in that exact area. It just moved over a little bit, and I guess annoying. Cause like, oh, there's the errors right here. You can't dodge them, so too bad for you. I guess you die or lose all your glitches. I learned that I could just jump over it, which that's what I've been doing. Just it's annoying. So yeah, let's go grab some heartbeats. A lot of heartbeats. A lot of heartbeats. Because video ends when I say it ends, and it ends when we pop him. We make him say boom. Boop doop 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 doop. See, the thing is, I have to have 40 every day at least, just so I can feed all you guys. So in other words, I'm gonna go to sleep, wake up, do all my normal routines, and then go pop him. Because I will have enough, hopefully. Also, as you can tell now, I use my left hand to record. You know when I'm using my left hand, it gets somewhat better, but the gameplay gets so much worse. Because my left hand is always steady. Why, I don't know. Boop doop 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 doop. First, I just realized I shot way too many into that there bin. I knew it, I don't. Okay, I'm not seeing things. It just doesn't exist. Yo. Get back in there. No. Should probably go close that up. Just sell all these. That should be enough, right? We only need 425. That's not that much in this game. It is if you suck at aiming. So who's ready for Pokemon Sword and Shield? Is it gonna come out soon? When it comes out, I'm probably gonna record some stuff with it. Transfer my teams over. My older games, if I can, if those Pokemon are in the Pokedex, because as we all know, only Pokemon in the Galar Pokedex are allowed in. No, not a clicker. Sorry. I said it gets somewhat better. I don't say my camera skills become unimaginably better. I feel like I've been doing this trying to fix my mistake. Wow, these guys have just been going without food. So it's a new game. I don't have to move if I can just turn my right joystick. We don't talk about it. Oh, that's cute. I like how there's birds around her head. Well then. There's definitely gonna be enough today. Seeing that I have a lot. No, give me a sec. Give me a sec. Just gonna. There goes a spiral steam. The main thing I wanted to stay alive for. That's just great. Yeah. Son of a butt. Okay, I might just put my camera down for a sec. Just so I can do this correctly with both my hands. So far, I've died once from doing this. which that kind of sucks. Kind of. Maybe just a little bit. Let's just keep going. Let's just keep going. Let's see. Boop, 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 boop. Yep, forget. I'm probably just gonna go back to sleep. Wake up in the morning. Not your life, just in the game. And just do the same thing. Because this time, not mess up. Switch hands. Fear me. Okay. The death hike. I'm not gonna read all those because that's just gonna take forever. Let's just keep on doing this. Because I'm always happy for some reason. When you're radioactive, you're always happy. Seems legit. I should really stop doing that when I don't have like 350 health. Because it's just a fourth habit of mine now. I'm just so used to being able to do that because it's just full health, infinite health. Not infinite, but a lot. And it might look like the camera's getting further away. That's because it kind of is. Kind of isn't. It's mainly me. Yeah, excuse me. Oh, damn it. Just a little bit sneezy and sleepy. It's very late. Now let's finally do this. What I've been trying to do since the beginning of this video, more or less, which was pop a Gordo. Let's go pop ourselves a Gordo after I upgrade my stuff. Cause yeah, I'm an idiot. That's better. Now I know that cost me all my money. I need 2 more. Look at. I feel like my arms might cramp up, so if I just put my camera down and just hear weird noises, it's me just saying ow, because my arm hurts. So yeah. Okay, let's keep on just running through here. Oh, running. Me walking very slowly-ish. Joke's on you. I can sprint. I can sprint. I suck at this. Honestly, how does this guys not get me? I messed up like 3 times. Alright, let's just keep on going. So in the comments, if you guys have seen the Secret Styles, they look great. In the comments, put your favorite Secret Style for them. My favorite is a Cheshire for the Hunters. Not because the Hunters are my favorite, no, it's just because it looks awesome. And because they're my favorite, but still. Well, just put your favorite down in the description. Well, not in the description. I mean in the comments. And put down like what they should make a new slime. Because there's still always those 5 extra slots I've had. Why are those 5 slots there? I don't know. And what should its Secret Style be? you do make one. Cause like, will it, like if it's pink, will it become blue? Like the retro and pink slime? Will it do what those two did? Or will it do something else, like what the rock one did? And turn to metal. Okay, we're here, kind of. I suck at aiming. I was gonna actually walk towards it. The good news about this guy, see this? It's radioactive. You can do this, and you can, if you shoot all of them in fast enough, you won't die from radiation. Surprisingly enough, you'll get close, and you have to back away to those guys. I know it looks like much, but the second I walk in here, all right, up to 100. So I'm gonna grab all these guys, break open these boxes. We're gonna see what's in them. I'm gonna end the video. I hope. Okay, first off, let's grab all these guys. Skadooey. Nothing got good. And then Skadooey. Nothing that good. Well then, this is the end of this episode. So, I will see all of you guys next time in the next video. Peace. Peace. Adios. Konnichiwa. You know what I mean. Bye-bye.